Hello and welcome back. Let's see what we got here. Have I got a surprise for you? Do you remember some 6 months ago that I reviewed a power supply? Actually, I unboxed the power supply. And now I decided I'm going to do an upgrade for myself. Let's take this old power supply out. Yeah, look at me go. I know how to unclip cables. I know how to remove cables from the controller that doesn't need to be removed. Yeah, I know how to do that. Look at me take out some screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Done. Maybe it was 4 screws. I don't know. Can't count. Either way, as I get this power supply out, I notice it's kind of stuck in there. What you call it, you know? It's a tight fit. However, the new power supply is a bit bigger. And I decided, let's do a test fit. Just to make sure this can fit. Can it not? What do you mean? So, I get to the bottom of this. It's the thing in the, the corner. It's a piece of metal. I think I can handle that. I completely forgot this thing had cables. I don't think I would reorder a power supply that doesn't have any cables attached to it, because these modular things are sticking out and they're so long and they can't fit.
That's what she said. That's what she said. That's what she said.
Good one.
I guess I'll try and bend this out of the way. However, I don't think it will fit. And this power supply is really like bugging me right now. And now I discover the last thing. There are buttons on the power supply for the RGB because of course there are. Why wouldn't there be buttons? So I just turned to brute force. I need to rip this thing out. So I need some room on the hard drive side, which is on my left. And I need some room on the right side, which is just metal from the case. So let's rip everything that needs to be ripped out and get this power supply in. I correct some of the things that I made or broken or creatively adjusted for this sick power supply to be in my case. And now it's a perfect computer. It's upgraded all the way. Next time, I need a new case, I need a new motherboard, and I'm probably going to sell this as is. And I'm going to tell the owner, bro, this power supply, it's connected to the case. It will not leave the case. It will live as long as this case lives. And yeah, that pretty much sums up why I wasn't here. I was recording a video that broke me, and now I am a broken human being with an upgraded PC. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.